Yep, guys, we thank God that there are still people who are good in the entertainment industry, guys. It seems like Rashma Banana was stuck somewhere in overseas, guys. And according to Makati, he was not sober-minded, guys. Then he went live to TikTok to claim that Makati owes him money, guys. He owes him a lot of money, guys. Then immediately after an argument, guys, Makati sent the money to Rashma Banana's account. Here's the proof of payment, guys, whereby Makati, this proof of payment was shared by Rashma Banana on his TikTok account, guys, so that he can fly back to SA, guys, so that they can talk about this. Here's the live whereby Makati sent the money. He was talking with Rashma Banana to come back to SA, guys.
My banana, okay, it's fine. Oh, it's okay. How much do I owe you, my banana?
For now, you can well be such a related in. You look very cage. You look big perform my lorry like you let a perform about 1 point. I can perform alone staging. Give 15,000. You learning since get them.
Okay. 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 It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Are you still using the same account number? So
Which
I can.
One? I'm a businessman. Can I count you?
I get it now. The last time that I sent you money, for sure it's 2 years back. I don't know if you still using the same account number that I'm asking you.
You only know I give. You only know.
I can say baki Capitec, baki FNB now. You know, literally two. I can say.
Ah, Capitec. I don't go Capitec.
You still using the same Capitec, right?
Send them a Capitec.
I owe you 15,000 rand. That's what I'm saying.
Sacrifice it. The rest you get from half.
My banana, that's, you know what, you must stop believing on those things. You must stop believing in your own lies. You must not stop believing on what people are saying out there. For the fact that people are saying artists are sacrificing, not every artist do that. Your anger must not lead you there. And now I say, Nyani, if you believe that I owe you, I'm saying, if you're still using the right number, can I send you money and you book a flight ticket and you come back home? No.
You miss me.
No.
You miss me.
I'm doing good. I get it without you, my banana, you know.
No, you're not doing good. You miss me.
Okay, I miss you. Okay, I miss you, my banana. It's fine. Mara, can I send you money and you book a flight ticket and come back home? It's all time.
And everything. Mara.
Now I know you. Remember, now I know you more than anyone in this life, right? Hey, so I know you very well. So I'm not even mad about whatever you said. I'm saying I'm sending you money. Mara, please promise me that you are going to book a flight ticket and come back home.
Do you miss me now? Put just straight.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I miss you. I'm sending you money, and promise me that you're going to book a flight ticket and come back home. I'm not the only one who's missing you. Your family is missing you. Your wife is missing you. Your kids are missing you. I speak with your wife almost every month. Do you know that?
Muchopi, everyone miss some fanatic.
Yeah, Misa, Mama Sydney or Misa, Mama how Misa. Everyone misses you.
Mpejele taka man. Ergo lo taka ta Capitec.
Kinale chona if salibesa Capitec.
Yes alone, yeah. Ergo fe.
Give a flight ticket to go Australia South Africa. How much is the flight ticket from Australia to South Africa?
Get 30,000 because I can't rent.
Okay, I'm gonna send you 50,000 rand, and you must book a flight and come back home.
What mesa?
Yes.
I'm happy because of well I last shoot.
Yes, I can register soul. You don't register send la chele daddy soul u buye mrao high.
I'm facing you already soul ki gore you natina.
Happens all where register banga banan.
I can see maybe a little like the painty like the angle. I can see.
When now we also get the way it's home. You must come back home. I'm gonna send you money and you must book a flight ticket and come back home.
Hey, I got an asin taking Yaga Mara. Kina go to one messana. And I get why I can sell a safe from American one.
How we are more to Java good? How was the good?
Mucho B.
I get it.
Yeah. And I know some patella with this time.
I send it now. You must book a flight ticket and come back home.
Who's send it to go guy?
Check the balance.
Yeah, go guy keep it taking.
Yes.
And the next no check again, get the one chevatumo.
It's up to you, but the main thing you must book a flight ticket and come back home.
And then if Amagatos got the lagan now and a man. So the lagan Nanagale Chepzan, Ergivin to Wunch, keep it take a car in Alavoca. We will enjoy Ragged Shavin now. I don't want to know what the lagan not today. Can I munch? The big certainly big beaver what to live at Ramu. Most of the Jumutum couldn't look at Peter Cannon. Can you go and dream? I hadn't told you I'm more perfectly a big screen young. Magados and the Silo.
My banana.
Who was it send a go and send a low?
My banana, you are not okay. Can you please just come back home? Can you please just tell me the truth that I send you money?
Emma, accuracy. Okay, Ergena Metamutum when I come Sandel on a montong. Because Gerka wants her Bargaman. Capitega and Silo. It's an elephant that listens to see like Ergena with
hello, when I refresh up your house, I can have it now. I can't just come live here and say I'm sending you money to come back home and I don't do that.
Okay, Ergena refresh.
And you must book a flight ticket and come back home.
Monia Sabidi doesn't over 1 million. That's like a 5 ball. Mara, what will that be like 5 ball?
Ah, we can see them fanak. Ah, we can see them Muchopi. Yes. Yes. Ah, we can see them fanaka. Guys,
And aku koloti.
Sorry.
Aku koloti. And now I've never. No. When I book a flight ticket in Opilaba to Ukelebo Rafi, Luya, like whatever you're going through, and book a flight ticket now and ship that you book a flight ticket and come back home.
Yes, mucho piso. Mucho. Oh, tu gotta go in la cama today. Mucho piso and shit, mucho pi. The Wuza Ralevona. Shooter, Twekawena. The Wuza Ralevona. The Wuza Ralevona can see it. Yes.
When you need help, you must come back home.
The Wuza Ralevona. Monaco, we can see. But if you go Palamutunga and Melomi Wani, I go to be a big screen Kinago, Kimusandeleona, Ivy, Kimusandela going to Ivy, get one to mucho puit and cheese. Kemucho puikense. Mucho puikense. But if you go to request a more, come on,
I will not request and you must book flight tickets and come back home.
They're gonna make them to me one. Come on, request. Okay, Payash. They're gonna make you.
I rather a little pie when I can book a flight.
Can go on your way to see them for that. The woods are relevant. Mucho pi. Cheetah. Mucho pi.
Apologize.
Motopi ke o rata mfana ka wa yeshu wena.
Apologize, hey Rush, apologize.
No, it's not about apologizing. I know Rashma Banana very well. No.
Apologize when I'm putting apologize for sake. Ngafela mo kenyanga motho a nyaka
Yep, guys, for those of you who did not know who is Rashma Banana was Makatsi dancer, guys. So he was dancing for Makatsi. He claimed that Makatsi owes him money, guys. That's why Makatsi decided to pay him immediately, guys, so that he can come back to SA, guys. So I don't know what's your take on this one, guys. You can leave your comments down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video, guys. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.